Hi folks, so just got a notification from YouTube to say I've reached 100 subscribers. So it's going to give like a little giveaway. All you've got to do is in the comments, just comment mechanic if you want a mechanic type prize, or Vanlife if you want a Vanlife type prize. I'll select one winner at random and get that sent off to you. Stay subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Just when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a big prize randomly to one of my subscribers. So yeah, cheers for the support, and see you on the next one.